How to remove the mower deck to a Cub Cadet RZT 50. The Cub Cadet RZT 50 is a zero-turn radius riding mower with a 50-inch triple-blade deck. To perform deck maintenance tasks, such as replacing the deck drive belt or caring for the blade, you must first remove the mower deck. Follow the instructions in your mower's user manual, if you have one. Be sure to guard yourself from coming into contact with any possibly hot parts on the mower. Things you'll need: wrench, 3/8-inch drive ratchet. Park the Cub Cadet RZT 50 on a flat surface, such as in a garage or level driveway. Push the power takeoff PTO switch knob, located on the right side of the operator's seat, downward. Turn out the mower engine. Pull the parking brake lever fully upward and to the left, then lower it into the J-slot. Unscrew and remove the lock nut from each deck gauge wheel, using a wrench. Remove each gauge wheel and shoulder screw. Insert each shoulder screw through the highest index hole, which places the deck gauge wheels at their highest setting. Install the lock nuts on the shoulder screws and tighten them using a wrench. Pull the deck lift handle to the left, out of the index notch. Push the handle upward all the way, and to the right, back into the index notch. Reach in toward the middle area of the RZT 50, on top of the deck, and insert a 3/8-inch drive ratchet into the square hole located on top of the idler bracket. Rotate the idler bracket, along with the movable idler pulley, toward the rear, so that there is slack in the V-belt. Lift the V-belt up and over the idler pulley. Move to the rear of the tractor. Slide the V-belt off the PTO pulley, which is located on the bottom of the tractor engine. Slide the deck lift handle to the left, then push it downward all the way. Slide the handle to the right so that it is completely in the index notch. Pull the deck support pins outward on both the left and right sides of the deck. Lock the support pins in the disengaged position. Slide the deck lift handle to the left, then push it upward all the way. Slide the handle to the right, back into the index notch. Slide the deck forward. Lift the deck front hanger rod out of the front deck bracket's 2 slots. Slide the deck back, far enough so that the front hanger rod is unable to fall back into the deck bracket slots. Slide the deck out from under the Cub Cadet RZT 50. Slide it from the right side, and make sure that the front hanger rod does not engage the deck bracket slots.